you like to put on some weight? መጨመር ትፈልጋለህ ክብደት? All right, why? Lemon, you are thin. Do you like to put on some weight? ምን ይሰራል? What's the point of putting on some weight? To be and then ሞፈር ማስኮራ. All right. ጡንቻ ማውጣት መስሎ ነው. It's not like that, man. All right, it's the thing. Now we are putting off our YouTube uploading schedules, aren't we? So are you happy with that? So I'm happy and I'm not happy. I want you to be honest with this, please. You're happy. All right, okay. Hey, what's up, guys? What is this word? Brook. Put ማስቀመጥ ምናምን የታየ ትርጉም አለው አይደል እንዴ? ፑት ማስቀመጥ እኛ ግን ለማየት የፈለግነው ፑት ምን ስታስከትል ማለት ነው ፕሪፖዚሽን ምን ስታስከትል ፕሪፖዚሽን ወይ መስተዋድድ ስታስከትል we call it a phrasal verb. A verb with a preposition is called a phrasal verb, right? Yes. Having meanings beyond the literal meaning ማለት ነው okay? So the first one is put down. See put down. But see? I mean, what do you mean by put down? It has got different meanings. First meaning of put down is ማስቀመጥ ማለት ነው right ወደታች አንድ ነገር put it down but you see put it down all right put it down ካልከኝ ምን በለው ነው አስቀምጠው ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር to pick up is እንደዚህ to put up means የሆነ ነገር እንደዚህ መስቀል አለ to put down is የሆነ ነገር ማስቀመጥ እንደዚህ okay so put it down but you see put it down very good አስቀምጠው ነው ያልከኝ አይደለ put it down it's mine it's what it's mine የኔ ነው it's mine very good put it down it's mine ስትለኝ አሁን አስቀምጠው የኔ ነው put it down it's mine say በሎስቲ አድባው put it down but see put it down it's mine all right okay and second meaning of put down is ሁለተኛ ትርጉሙ put ምንም ማስቀመጥ ነው ያላል down ወደታች አይደል it just means to insult እስቲ insult but see መሳደብ or humiliate to insult or to humiliate somebody የሆነን ሰው ማዋረድ መሳደብ ማለት ነው that's the meaning of put down all right okay ለምሳሌ እንደዚህ ብትሉ ማለት ነው down በልሲ put me down don't put me down okay don't put me down in front of others yes or no ከሌሎች መሃል አታሳፍረኝ አትስደበኝ እንደዚህ ስትሉ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ don't put me down ስትሉ አንድ ሰው ምን ማለታችሁ ነው don't insult me or don't humiliate me አታሸማቀኝ አታሳፍረኝ የተግባባን ነው አታዋርደኝ ማዋረድ ማለት ነው humiliation all right to insult I may put you down በለኝ እስቲ I may put you down say I may put you down I may put you down I may put you down if you don't stop ስለዚህ ምን ልል ይችላል ልሰድብ ላዋረድ ይችላል ስትሉ አንድ ሰው ምን ብትሉት I may put you down if you don't take care I may put you down if you don't stop say I may put you down say I may put you down if you don't stop ማታቆም ከሆነ ላዋርድ ይችላል ያላችሁት ነው ማለት ነው I may put you down if you don't stop right do you understand me yes. So to put down someone means to insult or to humiliate somebody right so how many meanings did we see so far with the phrase of a put down ስንታየን ሁለት ስንታየን ሁለት ነው ያየነው ማለት ነው exactly yes ተጋተናል አሁን yes all right very good and third meaning of put down is to deposit ምን ማድረግ ማስቀመጥ ገንዘብ ማስቀመጥ to deposit money to deposit what money all right for example she puts down 500 what dollars on her house on her house ለቤቷ ስንት ትከፍላለች ስንት ታጠራቅማለች ማለት ነው ስንት ታስቀምጣለች ለቤቷ $500 ታጠራቅማለች ታስቀምጣለች ዲፖዚት ታደርጋለች ነው is that okay yes so how many meanings did you see 3 meanings of put down ሌላስ put down ሌላ ምን አለ what is the other meaning of put down I'm putting down አሁን የሆነ አስተማሪ መጥቶ ለምሳሌ ገብቶ put it down ይላችኋል አስቀምጠው ነው አይደል ሌላ put down ደግሞ የሆነ ምንድን I'm putting some notes down ብላሁ ምን እያስቀመጥኩ ነው ምን እየጻፍኩ ነው ኖት እየጻፍኩ ነው so it has got different meanings ማለት ነው የተለያየ ትርጉም አለው ማለት ነው is it clear yes okay so አንድ አለ ሁለት a second phrasal verb with the word put is ከput ጋር አብሮ የሚለው ማለት put out በሉሲ put out say put out put out or put out. There's no problem. You can say put out or put out. No problem at all. To put out means to extinguish. ምን ማለት ነው? እስቲ extinguish ወሲ extinguish ማጥፋት ማለት ነው። ምን ማለት ነው? ማጥፋት። ለምሳሌ እሳቱን እባክህ እሳቱን አጥፋው ብሉኝ እስቲ። እባክህ እሳቱን አጥፋው። What can I say? Please. Please. Please put out the fire. Put out the fire. Very good. Go on. Please put out the fire. ካልክ እባክህ ምኑን አጥፋው ያላችሁ ነው። እሳቱን አጥፋው እባክህ. Please put out the fire. It's very dangerous. Yes or no? Yes. So to put out means to extinguish. What does it mean? To extinguish. ማጥፋት ማለት ነው. To put out means to extinguish. All right. Put out. Say put out. Put out. Say it again. Put out. Please put out the fire. Say please put out the fire. Please put out the fire. እባክህ እሳቱን አጥፋው ነው ያላችሁኝ አሁን። እየተግባባ ነው? Please put out the fire. It's so dangerous, man. It's so dangerous. Okay, interesting. So, እዚህ ጋር ያለው አለ ማለት ነው. Okay, number 3 is put up with. Put up with. በዚህ put up with. To tolerate. ምን ማለት ነው? To what? Tolerate. መታገስ መቻል ማለት ነው. Is that okay? Yes. All right. Okay. ያንተን ባህሪ ልታገሰው ልችለው አልችልም በለኝ እስቲ. I can't put up with your behavior ካለኝ ምንህ ልታገሰው አልችልም ነው. ልችለው አልችልም ያለኝ ነው. ባህሪ ልታገሰው I can't put up with your behavior. You do have bad ones. All right? Do you understand me? Yes. So, I can't put up with your behavior. All right? Yes. Is it clear? Yes. በጣም ይጨቀጭቃችሁ ሰው ካለ if someone nags you ምን ዘነሳችሁ ካለ stop nagging me. I can't put up with your behavior ካላችሁት ናጋ አታርገኝ አትነዝንዘኝ. እኔ ያንተን ባህሪ ምን ልል አልችልም ነው. ልታገስ አልችልም. Put up with. Say put up with. I can't put up with my sister. Right? Understand? Yeah. I can't put up with it. I can't put up with it. See, I can't put up with it. I can't put up with it. Yeah, I can't put up with it. ልታገሰው አልችልም ስትሉ I can't put up with it. This is something which is unfair. It's something which is bad. Yes or no? Yes. So how many phrasal verbs did we see with the verb put? 3 phrasal verbs with different meanings. Yes or no? Yes. Interesting. So ሌሎች አሉ. You have to stay with us. ከኛ ጋር ያላችሁ we'll try to continue. All right? So let's see this. Put on. Say put on. Let's see put on. Put on. Put on or put on. No problem, all right? Yes. So to put on means one is to wear. መልበስ ማለት ነው, እሺ? Yes. All right. To put on means to wear. የሆነ ነገር መልበስ መደረብ ማለት ነው. For example, I have to put on my jacket. I have to put on my sweater. My what? Sweater. ሹራቤን መደረብ መልበስ አለብኝ ነው. I have to put on my sweater because it's a bit cold outside. It's freezing outside. It's what? Freezing outside. It's very cold outside. Therefore, I have to put on my sweater. So to put on means to wear. መልበስ ማለት ነው. All right? Yeah. What am I doing? I'm putting on my gown. አይደለም እንዴ? I'm putting on my gown. All right? Interesting. And the other meaning of, put on is to gain weight. To gain what? Weight. ምን መጨመር ማለት ነው? ክብደት መጨመር. እናንተ ስትወፍሩ እንዲ ክብደት ስትጨምሩ ምናምን you are putting on, right? Some weight. ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር please አላችሁኝ እዚህ ጋር ለምሳሌ please go to the gym. Please go to what? The gym. You are putting on. Say, you are putting on some weight. You are putting on some weight. እየጨመርክ ነው የተወሰነ ወደ የት ሂድ ነው ያልከኝ አሁን ወደ ጂም ቤት ሂድ ምክንያቱም ምን እየጨመርክ ነው ያልከኝ weight ክብደት እየጨመርክ ነው right understand yes so how many meanings did I tell you for the phrase of put on 4 now 4 how many meanings 1 2 meanings all right ሌላም ትርጉም አለው put on yes or no ነገር ግን አሁን እያልኳችሁ ያለ to put on is to wear or to gain weight. So I have told you 2 different meanings of the phrasal verb put on, right? Yes. ስለዚህ do you like to put on some weight? Yes. መጨመር ትፈልጋለህ ክብደት? Yes. All right. Why? Lemon. I am thin. You are thin. Do you like to put on some weight? Yeah. ምን ይሰራላል? What's the point of putting on some weight?
To be fat
To be, and then?
and muscular.
መወፈር ማስኩላር right. ጡንቻ ማውጣት መስሎ ነው? It's not like that, man. All right, interesting. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is to put across. እስቲ put across በል እስቲ put across. Okay, put across. Say እስቲ ከኔ ጋር put በራ say put across በል እስቲ put across. Yeah, to put across means, what do you mean by put across? All right? ምን ማለት ነው put across ማለት? ምን ማለት ነው? put across ምንድን ነው?
To communicate. To communicate.
To communicate. To put across means to communicate something or an idea. An idea. And what? Idea clearly. Clearly. መልእክትህን በግልጽ ስታስተላልፍ በግልጽ communicate ስታደርግ you are putting across. የተገባ ነው?
Yes.
It's very difficult to put across my message in front of other people. All right?
Yes.
ሙሉ መልእክቱን በግልጽ ለማስተላለፍ ከሰዎች ፊት እቸገራለሁ ነው አይደል እንዴ? So you can say that it's hard. It's what? Hard to put across my message. My what?
Message.
Message. To put across my message. It's hard to put across my message during the meeting. ምን እያልኩ ነው? during the meeting. በስብሰባ ወቅት ምንን በትክክል ማስተላለፍ ይከብደኛል ነው? ሐሳቤን በትክክል ወይም ሜሴጅ መልእክቴን ማስተላለፍ ይከብደኛል። So to put across means to communicate an idea very clearly. Is it simple for you to put across your message in front of other people? Or is it hard? Is it hard or simple for you to speak?
It's simple.
It's simple to put across your message.
Yes.
ኧረ ተው
Yes.
በጣም ትልቅ ንግግር የሚደረግበት ቦታ ላይ
Yes.
Is it simple for you? I want you to be honest.
Simple.
This is simple for you?
Yes.
All right, okay, interesting. Do you have a question here? Any question you have? Any question here?
No.
Interesting, that's so good. And put aside. Put aside, what is it?
Aside.
To put aside means, especially, it may be like to store something, to put something, to put or store something, especially money. Especially what?
Money.
Money. And another money, especially money. All right? I'm putting aside some money. Do you understand me?
Yes.
እንደገና አንድ ነገር ደግሞ እንደገና ምን ማለት ይሆናል መሰላችሁ? ይሄ this is number 1. Number 2, ignore something temporarily ይሆናል. Ignore something temporarily. ለጊዜው አንድ ነገር ወደ ጎን ገሸሽ ማድረግ temporarily ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Put aside. Say put aside. Well, see?
Put aside.
Let's put aside our differences በሉ እስቲ።
Let's put aside our differences.
ምኑን ለዕለቱ ተወት እናድርገው እያላችሁ ልዩነታችንን ወደ ጎን ተወት እናድርገው ስትሉ let's በል እስቲ
Let's put aside.
let's put aside. Let's put aside our difference. Our differences. ልዩነቶቻችንን ምን እንበላቸው? ለጊዜው ምን እንበላቸው? ወደ ጎን እናድርጋቸው፣ ተወት እናድርጋቸው ስትሉ let's put aside our differences. All right?
Yes.
So what do you mean by put aside? It may be to put or store something, especially money, or it might be to ignore something temporarily. Do you understand me?
Yes.
ለምሳሌ ልዩነታችንን ወደ ጎን እናድርግና ወይም ልዩነታችን ለጊዜው እንተውና ሌላ ነገር ላይ ፎከስ እናድርግ እንላለን አይደል በአማርኛ? That time you can say let's put aside our differences and resolve our problems. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Resolve our problems. So to put aside has got these two different meanings. Is it clear, friend? Hey.
Yes.
Is it clear? Are you sure? እርግጠኛ ነህ?
Yes.
ግልጽ ነው። አሁን ያልገባ ነገር አለ እዚህ ውስጥ? አሁን ያልገባ ነገር ካለ
No, it's clear.
this is clear, right? Okay, interesting. And what is the past tense of put? የፑት past tense ራሷ put ናት። ማናት?
Put.
ራሱ put ነው ማለት past tense. There's no problem here, right? There's no problem. Okay. Put up. Let's see. Put up.
Put up.
To put up means to raise. ምን ማለት ነው?
To raise.
Raise ማንሳት ማለት ነው አንድ ነገር። Okay? To put up. Put up. Say put up.
Put up.
All right. They are putting up the tents. They are putting up the tent. ምኑን እያነሱ ነው እያልኩ ነው አሁን ማለት ነው። tent ምንድን ነው? ድንኳን። Okay? For example, if I say they're putting up the tent. They're putting up the tent. Say, they're putting up the tent.
They are putting up the tent.
ከተቀመጠበት ቦታ ምኑን እያነሱት ነው? ሬዝ እያደረጉት ነው ማለት ነው።
ድንኳን
ድንኳኑን they are putting up the tent ድንኳኑን እያነሱት ነው። So put up is the opposite of put down. Put up is the opposite of put down. ወደታች እንዲስታስቀምጡ you're putting down something. Yes or no?
Yes.
እንደዚህ እንደገና ደግሞ ስታነሱት ሬዝ ስታረጉት ደግሞ you're putting up. So put up is the opposite of put down. All right? Is it clear?
Yes.
ያልገባ ነገር አለ?
No.
እዚህ ጋር ያልገባ ነገር ካለ ጠይቀኝ። Hey አድባሩ anything which is not clear for you?
It's clear.
It's clear.
Yes.
Do you have any confusions here?
No.
Any confusion? No confusion at all. Right. Very good. And the last one is, put off. See, put off. What is it?
Put off.
Say it again.
Put off.
Now the last one actually. Now the last one. Put off. Say put off.
Put off.
Postpone ማለት ነው። ምን ማለት ነው? Postpone ማዘግየት ማለት ነው። ምን ማለት ነው?
ማዘግየት።
All right. ስለዚህ ክላሱን እናዘግየው በል እስቲ።
Postpone.
Let's put off the class በል እስቲ።
Let's put off the class.
ክላሱን ምን እንበለው ነው? እናዘግየው. Let's put off the class because I'm so tired right now. Yes or no?
Yes.
Let's put off the meeting because I'm so tired. Let's put off this because I'm so tired. So to put off means to delay or to postpone something. Yes or no?
Yes.
All right. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Interesting. So to put off means to postpone. Is that okay?
Yes.
Now we are putting off our YouTube uploading schedules, aren't we?
Yes.
So are you happy with that? Say I'm happy and I'm not happy. I want you to be honest with this, please.
I'm happy.
You're happy.
Yes.
All right, okay. Okay, so put off. Say it again. Put off.
Put off. Put off.
All right, interesting. Put off. Okay, I have got another one. So that's a put back. Will you see?
Put back.
አንድ ነገር ወደ ነበረበት መልሳችሁ ስታስቀምጡ ባክ ምንድን ነው? ወደኋላ አይደል? ለምሳሌ አሁን ያ መጽሐፍ አመጣሁት አይደል? አመጣሁትና መልሼ ወደዛ አስመልሰው put it back ብለኝ እስቲ።
Put it back.
መልሰህ እዚያው አስቀምጠው ስትለኝ put it back
Put it back.
ከነበረበት መልሰህ አስቀምጠው put it back. That's my book. Yes or no?
Yes.
እስቲ በል እስቲ put it back በል እስቲ።
Put it back.
Put it
Back.
put it back. That's my book. That's
My book.
That's my book. My book. የኔ መጽሐፍ እኮ ነው። ከነበረበት አስቀምጠው put it back ስትራረሰ ከነበረበት አስቀምጠው put it back. That's my book, man. Put it back. እየተገባ ነው?
Yes.
So to put back means ምን ማለት ነው?
መልሶ።
To return something to its place ማለት ነው። መጀመሪያ ወደ ነበረበት ቦታ መመለስ ማለት ነው። Is it clear?
Yes.
አሁን ወንበሩ ቅድም አንስተህ እዛ ጋር ወስደዋል አይደል? Put the chair back ካልኩህ ምን እያልኩ ነው? ወንበሩን መጀመሪያ ከነበረበት ቦታ አስቀምጠው መልሰው እያልኩ ነው ማለት ነው። Is it clear?
Yes.
ተጋብተናል አሁን?
Yes.
Okay, that's the meaning of put back. Put back. የተጋባ ነው?
Yes.
All right, interesting. But there is another meaning of the phrasal verb put back. ሌላ ትርጉም አለው። ማዘግየት ይሆናል እንደማን postpone እንዳልነው ማለት ነው። የተጋባ ነው?
Yes.
ለምሳሌ the flight በሉ እስኪ
The flight
was
was
put back
put back
by an hour. በስንት ሰዓት ዘግይቶ ነበር ነው?
በሰዓት ላይ።
እንዲዘገይ ሆኖ ነበር ነው። የተጋባ ነው? For example, ይሄ ዲሌይ ማለት ይሆናል። ምን ማለት ይሆናል? ዲሌይ ማዘግየት ይሆናል። ለምሳሌ the flight ምን አልኩኝ? The flight was put back by an hour ካልኩኝ አንድ ሰዓት እንዲዘገይ ተደርጎ ነበር ነው። የተጋባ ነው?
Yes.
The flight was put back by an hour. So how many meanings does it have? ስንት አለው ማለት ነው? put back የሚለው ስንት ነገርኳቸው? Two meanings. The first meaning is to return something to its place. ወደ ነበረበት ቦታ መመለስ. The second meaning is to delay. The flight was put back by an hour. ፍላይቱ ወይም በረራው በአንድ ሰዓት እንዲዘገይ ተደርጎ ነበር ነው የሚለው። Yes or no?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
All right. Do you have some questions here?
No.
Some confusions here? Hey, do you have some confusions here? All right. I hope you got a very good lesson out of this video. This is Unique English, where you can learn English uniquely. But የምትማሩበት channel ነው. Don't forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. If you like it, ከወደዳችሁት like አድርጉት. And then comment አድርጉ. Because it doesn't cost you anything. All right? Okay. Thank you so much. This is Unique English again. Bye.